Now that you have learned what equipment and materials you need to start up, let's go through the ideal qualities required in someone starting a career in professional spray tanning. If you recognize the following characteristics in yourself, then you will flourish when running your spray tanning business. Not to worry if you don't though, because many of these characteristics can be developed. When I first started 7 years ago, I was quite shy and lacked communication skills, but I naturally developed these over time by meeting new people. So are you friendly and sociable? Good at managing money? Know how to do your accounts or have an accountant to do them? Organised? A good timekeeper? Have a general interest in tanning or beauty? Have a clean and tidy appearance? Self-motivated? With good customer service skills. Thank you for watching video 2, and I'll see you in the next video.